Similar to soils, when collecting a BTEX water sample, headspace is an issue to be aware of to minimize the loss of volatiles. The BTEX vials we provide contain 1 large pill of sodium bisulfate preservative. Do not remove the preservative, as this may affect data quality. It is very important to maintain the integrity of the sample. When filling the actual BTEX vial, before capping, make sure there's a positive meniscus above the rim of the vial. When you place the septum lid over top of it and screw that down, this will ensure there is no air bubble present. Some examples of bad headspace would be this one here. There's about 1/12 of void space at the base of this vial. In some situations, headspace can be acceptable. Pea-size air bubbles can be acceptable. Sediment in sample can also be unavoidable. However, too much sediment can compromise results. A marginal amount of sediment may not affect anything. However, if we get more, it can be an issue. Too much sediment may cause an interference and affect results.